I want to achieve the most. I want to be on camera. I want to be off camera. I want to do all the things possible.
If you check the news too, you don't actually see that much like people doing the news stuff.
I don't think I see lots of people wearing hijabs.
Like, if you want to become an independent journalist, there is a barrier of entry in terms of equipment costs. Like, you have to get a camera, you have to have a computer to edit. Those things cost money.
I'm a person of color, and then if I want to be on TV, everyone should understand that my voice or other diverse people's voice mean just as much as who else is on TV.
Hey guys, how are you? Excited? A little bit? Nice. Good. I'm excited you guys are here. Have you guys ever been to a college looking at studios before? This will be your first time? Okay, let's do it. Let's go. I am in the broadcast industry as a director. These days it's CTV News as far as TV is concerned. They got the studios up there, guys. I went to school to be in front of the camera, and I ended up being behind the camera.
The reason I came to broadcast journalism program at Seneca was because I just wanted to study the journalism aspect of television and sports in particular.
Who's our weather person?
Get things about the program and everything that I thought was certainly true in the end. I had great teachers and made some great connections.
Pressure system that's moving here, and that's what's bringing all the cold air in.
I was here just to be that, I guess, that representation to see that, you know what I mean, all the possibilities.
There isn't just like a certain face that should be on your screen. Anyone can be and should be, representing.
Good afternoon, I'm Lishba. Here's what's making news.
I think it's really important for students from these communities who might be dealing with poverty or discrimination or lack of resources to be able to see themselves working in journalism. I've also had to overcome a lot of challenges to build my career. I think it's important to show these students that they can do it too.
I know there's many things that could make someone feel like they wouldn't be able to pursue their intentions to be a journalist.
Doing a behind-the-scenes special episode.
But it's important to remind people that if they really do want to do it, to make sure they put themselves out there, and then they can become a source of inspiration for someone else.
If a person who's not white grows up seeing only white people on TV, it's going to make them feel like they can't really do the things everyone else is doing.
From now on, customers who share their accounts outside...
Representation in journalism and broadcasting is very, very important. I grew up in an underserved neighborhood. I grew up in Rexdale, but my passion was always in the media and film and television, but I didn't see myself reflected a lot in that.
If it wasn't for Miss Query, I wouldn't be here today. I really wouldn't know that I had interest in media at all.
Miss Query, she's a really good teacher. You get an idea of every field in technology, like media, journalism, all of that. So I like it.
A lot of them are in that program because she would approach them. But yeah, it's all it goes back to your influences and who you surround yourself with. When you have a teacher like that, it's only gonna further accelerate your potential, essentially. It's been great to meet these students from Stephen Leacock. I'm so excited for what they will do in the future.
This will be your first time? I didn't have these programs, so I had no idea what I wanted to do. So it's pretty dope, I think, that you guys are already into things like that and kind of know what you want to go to towards post-secondary. And programs like this will only help to reinforce that, and I didn't.
People always try to tell, dream without fear and, be who you are, but how can you be who you are if you don't see what it's like to be who you are?